Hey guys, it's Megan's Feelings.
And Tesah Fatsman.
And today we're doing none other than a food review. And guess what that food is?
Crumble cookie. Bet y'all weren't shocked. Here's the lineup.
Wait,
Tracy, just cake. Then we have chocolate hazelnut cheesecake featuring Nutella.
what is cheesecake?
Next we have confetti milkshake.
Why are you a bot? Okay.
Strawberry cake cookie. Skillet cookie.
Okay, can you go get spoons, actually?
Fine.
Can we shove our faces? The first one is the Tres Leches cake.
Oh, it's so here's what it looks like up close. It's dripping. It's dripping liquid. Why is there rice in it?
That's like oatmeal.
There's 3 milks in it. Tres Leches.
I kind of enjoy
Tastes
it.
like the porridge I was fed in China.
What is this one called?
Chocolate hazelnut cheesecake featuring Nutella.
Gotta get some whipped cream in there.
I want no whip.
Oh. Why are you taking small bites? You make me look fat!
Okay, here's the bite that Megan wants me to take.
3, 2, 1. Wow. That is thick.
Can you not? Confetti milkshake cookie.
Okay, those last two kind of made me sick. It's fine.
No, you gotta keep going. We have to live up to the title. I rate it an 8, only taking 1 bite. Buckeye brownie.
Buckeye brownie.
Cookie. Buckeye brownie cookie. What is that? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh.
What is that?
Peanut butter.
Oh.
Mmm.
I don't know.
We're gonna take a little milk break.
Bye!
What? Stupid. Quattro. 4 milk?
Chug.
I don't want to
chug.
Let's do youth group milk mile. Strawberry cake cookie. I want to describe it. Not my favorite. Not my favorite.
A warm, gooey, semi-sweet chocolate chip cookie topped with a scoop of vanilla bean mousse and drizzled with semi-sweet chocolate.
It just tastes like a chocolate cake. It just tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. Not my favorite.
Thinking about the competition we're going up against, what are our chances of succeeding?
I don't feel good.
My favorite cookie was?
The Buckeye brownie one. Wait, yeah, Buckeye brownie.
Yeah, probably Buckeye brownie. Or the chocolate frosting mousse cookie.
The Nutella one?
Nutella, cheesecake cake.
You know, Loki sounds really good right now.
What?
Taco Bell.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.